Having trouble combining the letter T and R? Do you make a rolling R like tr instead of pronouncing tr? Let's take a look at how to pronounce this sound smoothly in American English pronunciation. In a recent video, we talked about the letters T and U and how they make a ch sound, ch. You see that, for instance, in a word like virtue, virtue. To make the tr sound, it's just like the ch sound, but you're going to press your tongue a little bit more firmly right above the back of your top front tooth. So right along your alveolar ridge, right where it meets the gum, your tooth and the gum meet, you want to press there firmly with the tip of your tongue. Tr, tr. It's a lot firmer than just a ch sound. So it's not ch, it's tr. Pressing there a little harder. You may also feel the back of your tongue raise slightly for that R. Tr, tr. We do not want to pronounce tra. It's more tra. Introduce, introduce. Interest, interest. Train, train. Travel, travel. Trust, trust. Truth, truth. Trigger, trigger. Traffic, traffic. Extremely, extremely. Translation, translation. Contract, contract. That concludes this quick video on the tr sound. For more information on this and other sounds in American English pronunciation, check out our other videos and playlists tab. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your time. We'll see you guys in our next video. Take care.